Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Abyssale plugin for Photoshop, turning your designs into dynamic templates you can scale across all your marketing and advertising campaigns in Abyssale. First, let's install the plugin. Go to your Adobe Creative Cloud app, open the Marketplace tab, and search for Abyssale. Once you click Install, be sure to launch or restart Photoshop. Next, you need to connect your account. In Abyssale, go to Settings, then Connections, and copy your access key. Back in Photoshop, open the plugin. Paste the key, and you're all set. Now, select the artboard you want to export. The plugin will detect your layers, allowing you to choose what to send to Abyssale. Groups will be exported as images, text as editable text layers, and solid color as shapes. Once you're done, click on Export to Abyssale as a template. Your PSD design is now in your template library. Just click on Use this template and select a project to start using it. And that's it. Your Photoshop design is now in Abyssale, ready to be used and automated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to save time and boost your creativity with Abyssale.